Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. So gold is still holding above support, so the Fibonacci support area has not changed since the last update. I would like to talk about a potentially different scenario that I thought about, when I looked at the chart today, again thinking about different possibilities and structures. First of all, let me remind you that the move to the upside is likely going to be some kind of a corrective move, even if it's the fifth wave up, because it would be, even in the white count, an A, B, C structure. So we talk about wave A up, wave B down, wave C up, and then the C wave would be a 5-wave pattern. This is one scenario we're tracking. This is the white scenario, and to keep this alive, the price should really hold above $2,580. That's the 78.6 retracement of the last rally. So there's a Fibonacci support area to which the price now reacted successfully, which is precisely what we want to see. And the support area is defined, because it could still be relevant, right? So it's defined between $2,630 and $2,580. Now from there, we can watch for a potential upside trend continuation, but I'm going to zoom in a minute and talk about what we need to see, as next milestone targets to be reached and so on. But please note that we are dealing with a larger diagonal pattern. So yeah, the fifth wave up is likely going to be an ABC structure. So in the A wave and the B wave, they might have finished. We could now have started the C wave. To confirm that, we need a first 5-wave move up. And if I zoom in, you see that we are far away from it at the moment. We could still be in an internal third wave, which might get a few more upside squiggles. And then waves 4 and 5, that would be ideal. Yeah, didn't I tell you in the last video that we had a potential 5 up, 3 down move in what I labeled there as a first 1-2 setup? I think this could be good. Well, it certainly was correct, because the market continued to move up then. So yeah, that is, I think, I remember now, that is what we spotted in the last update. That possible 5-wave move up, 3-wave move down. Even though it's not clearly a 3-wave move down, that's where I had some concerns. But the swing low, the beginning of the wave 1 in white, did hold. So it would be ideal if the market could now form a 5-wave pattern to the upside, possibly reaching 2,697 in 5 waves. For now, again, we're far away from that. But this would be the white count. We're watching for a development of a 5-wave move up, as highlighted here in white wave 1. And we could be in the, let's say, mid stages of that. Now, it is possible that in the yellow wave count, a corrective rally ends there in a wave 2. I already highlighted a resistance level, but the next ones are 2,677, 2,697, and 2,726. That would be this wave 2, which is a corrective rally. Could get rejected in that resistance area, and a break above the resistance area would make the yellow scenario less likely. So these are the parameters we're watching. Support should be clear, resistance should be clear. We need a 5-wave move up to confirm further that white scenario. And what's new? Well, I thought about maybe, because it's moving up and down in corrective patterns, thought about maybe the idea of a wave 4 triangle, right? That this wave 4 here, which either finished here in November or is still unfolding, might just be something completely different altogether. Triangle, wave A, wave B, wave C, wave D, wave E, and then up. Okay, so an Elliott wave triangle consists of 5 waves, and we could now be in wave C probably, yeah? So A, B, C at the late stages of that C wave. Why is that important? Well, it is important in case we don't break above resistance and we don't break below support and we stay in a range, then this is definitely a scenario to watch further. So that means next week the focus needs to be on support, and if the bulls can form a micro 5-wave move to the upside to possibly 2,697. Yeah, that's the update about gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out these stocks and S&P 500 servers. Link is in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.